got to the Calgary airport. Nikki's already at the gate. Julio dropped us off. I think I forgot or lost my disposable camera that I had during the trip, which really sucks. But on the bright side, I got accepted to global entry, so that is big time, because now I get TSA pre-check and I get to essentially fast pass customs for US customs in the next, like, I don't know, 4 years or something like that. Pretty neat. But yeah, now I'm walking to my gate, and then we have a connection in Minnesota, and then she got to Austin at like 10:30 at night. So stay tuned. I just got home. It's like 11 o'clock. I think I'm gonna unpack my shit and then shower and go to bed. But yeah, this trip has been freaking amazing. Hanging out with the homies is always fun, especially after not seeing a lot of them in a while. Till next time. Don't know where we will go next with the gang, but I'm sure it will be fun regardless. In the meantime, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want